How to find and copy YouTube channel URL or link. 3 different ways to copy it. Here it is, your YouTube channel link. Just copy and paste this link where you want. Make sure to like the video, subscribe the channel, and share it with others as well. Now let's see the second way to copy channel URL. This is also your channel link. Just copy this link and use this where you want. This is your channel handle, and it also works like a channel URL. So you can also use this as your channel link and share with others. As you can see the difference. For more easy to understand tutorials, you can visit tutorials.globally.com.